Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. Today's video is going to be really interesting. I'm going to show you a really interesting method to make $10,000 a month. People are even earning hundreds and thousands of dollars every year utilizing this method, and this method is really simple. You don't need to work, okay? You just have to do very simple work, almost just working 10 to 20 minutes a day, and you can make a significant amount of money. Okay, so this is going to be really interesting. Watch this video till the end. So many of you may know about meditation music. Okay, so people are searching about this term every day and every night on YouTube, and what they want to find is that they want to relax. This type of videos are really powerful, okay, and this type of videos get a ton of views every single day. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to create this type of YouTube channel which has every type of meditation music available. Okay, now the one and the best thing is that of this channel is you are not going to make any quick money if you are planning to work by this strategy. Okay, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is something which can make you a significant amount of money if you are aiming for a long term game. Okay, this is something which is a method which will provide you some money in the long term. Okay, don't expect the money to come immediately to you. It will take almost 6 months to 1 year to complete your threshold of 1000 subscribers as well as 4000 hours of watch time, and after that you can monetize your channel. But before that, you can monetize this type of channel with affiliate marketing products which are available on Clickbank as well as on Amazon Marketplace, which are related to meditation. So you can promote that type of product doing affiliate marketing with this type of channel. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, and I'm going to show you from where you can find this type of really awesome what can we say that music. Okay, meditation music or calming music, because Creative Commons is one of the thing which most of the people have utilized, and I won't show you that Creative Commons stuff because everyone knows about it and everyone has used it, but so many of the people say that it doesn't work for them. So I'm going to show you what you can utilize. So you have to go to this website which is known as youtube.com/audio library. Just listen once again, youtube.com/audio library, and you can find a ton of free music on this website. For example, I will play one of the see, this is one of the meditation music which is available on this website. Okay, so there are tons and tons of meditation calming music available on this website, and which you can directly use in your videos without having to worry about any of the copyright strike, because this is directly provided by YouTube. And see here it is written that you are free to use the song in any of your videos. So this is something which you can utilize. You just have to download any of the track which you like. Just search for calm music in YouTube audio library, and you can find this type of great music. Okay, and you can see the quality of this type of music is really high. Okay, it is not some random music, something which is not good, but it's really awesome, and the quality of music is really high as well as very good. So your audience is really going to like all this stuff. Now what you have to do is you have to create this type of simple meditation videos. All you have to do is just find out one image. Okay, just go to a website which is known as pixabay.com. Okay, once you go to this website pixabay.com, just search for meditation, and you can find many of the images which are related to meditation. All you have to do is download one of the images from this, or 2, 3, 4, 5, how many, as many as you want. And what you have to do is use this video editor. What you have to do is just download this video editor which is known as OpenShot. I currently use this video editor even to edit my YouTube videos as well as other videos on other platforms. So this is really simple to use, and if you don't know how to use this video editor, all you need to do is go to YouTube and search for some of the tutorials about OpenShot video editor, and you can definitely create. All you need to do is just download some of the images and drop those images in this editor and just add this music track which you have downloaded from YouTube audio library, and after that you can start creating this type of videos and start uploading them. The main thing, the practical thing about this type of method, and you need to grow, is that you need to have patience for at least 6 months, and you need to make a resolution, or you need to make a commitment that you are going to upload videos every single day for 6 months. Okay, no, don't just take out the money thing from your mind from 6 months. Okay, you are not going to earn any money for the 6 months. This is what I am saying, this is what the practical truth is. Okay, just understand that you will not make any money for the 6 months, but after 6 months you will be able to complete your threshold of 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. After that you can monetize your channel and start earning through this type of meditation music YouTube channel. And the another method which you are going to utilize, which you can utilize in the starting, is affiliate marketing. Okay, so you can just go to this website which is known as ClickBank and promote any of the. Okay, so this is the website which is known as ClickBank. You can find many of the offers which are related to motivation on this website, and you can just promote them. And if you don't want to use ClickBank, you can just go to Amazon. Okay, you can just go to Amazon Associate. Okay, just go to Amazon. Okay, Amazon Associates. So Amazon Associates is an affiliate program with which you can promote any of the product which are related, which are on the Amazon. So just go to Amazon and search for meditation, and you can find many of the products which someone would like who is interested in meditation and that type of stuff, and you can promote those products via your meditation music channel by providing the links of this product in the description box of your YouTube video. So this is really powerful method, and this is really something which is working 100% working method. Many of the affiliate gurus are utilizing this method and making really good passive income doing this simple stuff and simple work. All you need to do is take some action, make some commitment in 2020 that really I want to make big money this year in 2020 doing some good stuff online, and you can really make a full-time income doing this method. But the thing is that you require some of the patience in yourself, and don't be that 99% people who are not committed and just fail in every new endeavor they try to do. Be that 1% who just make things happen and makes things work. Okay, this is definitely going to work for you. This is one of the easiest thing. All you need is patience and consistency, and you can really make a big amount of money, really a big amount of money doing this particular method. I am absolutely serious. Okay, you can definitely make a full-time income doing this. You will be able to quit your 9 to 5 job if you apply this method as what I have said in this video. So if you like my video, if you like my content, then I would definitely tell you just press the like button, and as well as you can also check out other videos on my channel which will also provide you a ton of value about how to make money online and what to do and what not to do. Why, if you want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, online business, and all this awesome stuff is available on my channel. I post videos almost every single day. So just stay subscribed, stay happy, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.